Deuk Laser. It's August 18, 2025. I'm here with a patient from Israel who traveled all the way from Israel to Deuk Spine Institute to have work done on his neck and lower back. And he had it done in 2 separate surgeries. We had those surgeries a few weeks ago. He's here for a checkup, and how do you feel?
Great, more better, very satisfied that that was my decision. Sorry about my English.
Your English is perfect, but you can also speak in Hebrew to our audience as well. So you can do a mixture of the two.
Okay, אני מאוד מרוצה. It was a difficult decision because you are one of the kind that your decision is very different and extremely from our professor in Israel, the best professor in Israel, you know. אז מה שאני אומר זה שהחוות שלו, ההבחנה, your diagnose, ההבחנה שלו הייתה נגד כל המומחים בישראל. נכון, הם אמרו יש כאבים, אבל זה לא מצב של ניתוח, וכתוצאה מכך תמשיך לסבול. What I say in Hebrew, I try to say it in English, that all the professor and the best doctor in Israel told me, yes, you've got a problem in your back, but there is nothing to do. So still go to a doctor, get shots, ושום דבר לא עוזר. And nothing can make me relief. My house is broken because I'm nervous. I'm divorced. התגרשתי בגלל הכאבים. It's making a very big change, and now I'm very optimistic because I know now the span of the pain from the surgery will gone. Another 1 week, 2 weeks will gone. But when you live in pain 24/7 and you come the day, if you slept in the night, you come the day and another day and you are so pessimistic that nothing can help you. A difficult decision to me. So you think, just a minute, only Dr. Deuk is correct and the other are wrong? Yes, this is the only place that cure you for definitely.
Say it in Hebrew.
וכל מי שסובל מבעיות בגב, ואני אעשה את זה גם בישראל, I'm gonna be your ambassador. כל מי שסובל מבעיות גב and live with pain 24/7, חייב לדעת, must know that there is a solution, the technique is exist, and the professional is exist, and אין לי מה להגיד, עוד כולם חייבים לדעת שהמקום הזה קיים, וחייבים לבוא ופשוט להפסיק לסבול ולחיות חיים נורמליים. זה הכל.
I want to tell you, since we're talking about this, when I first became interested in neurosurgery at USC in Los Angeles, my medical school, my mentor was the chairman of neurosurgery, Dr. Marty Weiss, famous neurosurgeon, one of the top neurosurgeons in the United States for brain tumors, pituitary tumors, world famous, but he was also the head of the residency review committee. They basically went around and checked all the neurosurgery residencies, make sure the training of the residents was very good. So he told me, you should do brain tumors, you should do, some like aneurysms. I said, but I want to fix pain. He said, not in neurosurgery, okay? But I stuck to it because I saw so many people had pain and all the doctors were telling them, there's no way to fix this pain. You just have to live with it. And I said, there must be a way to fix the pain. So I did fusions, and the fusions were working. I was curing the pain. But I started to do endoscopic, and I saw I was also curing the pain with the endoscopic. And then I said, if I'm not fusing, I'm doing endoscopic. How come I'm able to cure the pain? I don't understand. So I started to ask the question, like, what am I doing with the laser, with the endoscope? And I realized what I was doing was debriding the tear in the back. And that started my successful journey of taking patients like you who have suffered with pain for many years and be able to cure the pain, not just from the disc, but also the facet joints, now the SI joint, now the piriformis muscle. So now we can cure 99% of chronic back pain. We can't fix the muscles. The muscles have to heal on their own. We can't fix pinched nerve. They have to heal after we unpinch it. But the nerve and the muscle will heal in time.
אתם צריכים להבין שזה משנה חיים, וכל שאר הטיפולים לא מועילים ואפילו עושים נזק לטווח הארוך. I said in Hebrew that all the other surgeries are making the condition worse. I learned and I think. So I want to give you and your staff, a present that I wrote very hard.
I have no idea what I'm getting here. Ah, wow. Beautiful. It's a plaque. I'm so honored. Thank you.
I'm so honored to give it to you. Show the audience.
That's beautiful. It says to Dr. R. Deuk Majin, your hands healed my spine and your kindness restored my spirit. That's beautiful. With deepest gratitude to you and your remarkable team at Deuk Spine Institute. God bless you. Thank you so much, my friend. This means the world to me. I love it. I don't like it. I love
This
it.
one, and I think,
But there's no welding.
yeah,
I was looking for the weld.
no
You know?
welding. I sent you something from Israel.
Well, I don't expect gifts from my patients, to be honest, and I only want their pain to be gone. That's all I care about. But this is so nice, and I'll always remember your kindness. Thank you so much. This
Thank
is
you.
beautiful. The last person who got me a pen from Mont Blanc was my wife. So you're up there now with my wife
Wow,
in status.
you really deserve it. And I don't forget you.
So thoughtful. Thank you. Wow, beautiful. Oh, wow. Look at that. It says Dr. Deuk.
And what in the other side?
On the other side, it says Art of Healing.
The art of healing.
The Art of Healing. I love it. It's going right here in my my jacket.
You are really the art of healing.
Thank you, my friend.
I hope you like the gifts.
I love the gifts.
Wow.
Thank you. It really means a lot. Well, thank you for sharing your story with the world.
You're welcome.
And I said the other day during your surgery, you're the first Israeli from Israel, but I remember we had one before you, and he actually did a testimonial in the surgery center, and he was with the military.
But I'm the first one who put the stick on the...
Yes, yes, you are the first one to put the sticker on the world map. Well, thank you so much, my friend.
Thank you.
Safe travels home.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you bet.
תודה לכם.